Juggling lecture slides, messy class notes, upcoming quizzes, and assignment deadlines can quickly get overwhelming. What if you could keep everything organized and generate instant study tools in one place without spending a dime? Here's how to turn Google Gemini into your free personal study assistant for any course. Go to notebook.google.com and create a new notebook. Name it as astronomy. You can load documents in Gemini Notebook using PDF, plain text, Markdown, Google Docs/slides, image, or audio-video formats. When you upload supported audio, local video files, or public YouTube URLs, NotebookLM automatically transcribes them into text sources for you. This is the study guide in PDF format that we will load into the notebook. You can scan printed materials, such as magazine articles, book pages, or notes, and upload the resulting PDFs or image files directly into Notebook, where the text will be automatically extracted. This is the class notes in Markdown format, which we will load in the notebook. This is the picture of the solar system with all the planets and the distance from the sun, which we will load. Open the notebook, click Add Source, and drag and drop the 3 documents. Once the documents are loaded, Notebook automatically generates a summary of the sources along with suggested questions. Go to the Studio panel and click on Quiz. Notebook will process your uploaded sources and generate an interactive quiz. You can answer the multiple choice questions, and Notebook will instantly validate your selections, provide explanations for wrong answers, and give you your final score to help you prepare for exams. You can create as many quizzes as you need. While Notebook offers built-in study suggestions, you can also generate a custom quiz on any topic by typing your specific request into the chat box and clicking Generate. You can also create flashcards. You can select the number of cards, the difficulty level, and 1 or more loaded documents. You can choose a suggested topic or enter your own topic to generate cards. In Notebook flashcards, the score is counted manually by self-assessment. You click See Answer or space to flip the card and check the answer. Below the card, you click the red button if you got it wrong or the green button if you remember the answer correctly. You can review your final score once you complete all cards in the deck. Notebook also can create a custom data table for the content in all the source document. Here is the prompt used to generate the table. Notice how specifying exact output details, such as decimal precision, concrete examples, and explicit constraints on what the tool should and should not do, ensures an accurate response. This is the data table created by Notebook. Notice how the reference documents for the data is also given by Notebook. You can generate audio overviews of your source materials in different formats. Let's create a deep dive, a lively, engaging conversation between 2 AI hosts. You can even join in and interact with them. Let's listen to a preview.
You know, it's wild to think about, but you are basically living on a rounding error.
Yeah, a very, very tiny one at that.
Right. I mean, when you look at the entirety of our cosmic neighborhood, you know, the vast oceans on Earth, the colossal storms of Jupiter, Saturn's rings, every single asteroid and comet out there in the dark.
All of it.
Yeah, all of it combined makes up just like 0.14% of the mass in our solar system.
It's hard to even picture.
It really is. Because the rest of it, that other 99.86%, that is just the sun.
So, welcome to today's deep dive. We are taking a massive stack of comprehensive astronomy class notes, a really detailed master study guide, and this beautifully intricate orbital diagram, and we're synthesizing all of it for you.
Right. Our mission is to give you the ultimate shortcut to understanding the intense underlying mechanics of the cosmos you are floating through right now.
Exactly.
In Customized Video Overview, a bite-sized overview helps you to grasp the core ideas from the source. You can also create a slide deck. Here we are creating a slide deck for solar system dynamics. This can be downloaded in PDF or PowerPoint. In Notebook, you can enter custom prompts to generate tailored responses based strictly on your uploaded sources, without pulling ungrounded information from the web. While the tool relies on a large language model, LLM, to process and format the text, its answers are grounded directly in your uploaded materials. If you ask about latest information or real-time news that is not included in your uploaded sources, Notebook will not provide an answer. Its responses are grounded strictly in your selected materials, unless you actively use the web source tool to import new articles into the Notebook. Now, let's import the latest article from the web. If Notebook encounters a paywall, a site blocking web crawlers, or an unsupported page layout, the link will appear in red. You can easily remove those failed links from your source panel. Now, let's ask the same question. What was the solar eclipse that happened on August 12, 2026? As you can see, we got complete details about yesterday's solar eclipse because the web source was imported successfully. As of July 2026, NotebookLM has been officially renamed to Gemini Notebook. Powered by Gemini 3.5, the core AI underlying the platform was upgraded to the Gemini 3.5 model architecture. Native cloud code execution. Every notebook now has a secure cloud computing environment. Cross-app syncing. Notebooks now sync across the standalone web experience, the Gemini app, and Google Search. Expanded export formats outputs can now be exported natively to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, EPUB, JSON, and PDF files. Students can use Gemini Notebook for free or upgrade to a $4.99 monthly plan for expanded features and higher usage limits. If this workflow helps you out, hit that like button and subscribe. It tells me exactly what kind of tutorials you want to see next, and it keeps this channel going.